Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PNG file into a PDF. So let's get started the video. At first, find the PNG file you wanted to convert and right click on it with the mouse and then click on print. Then a printer window will appear where you need to choose the paper size and the layout of how you want it to look, landscape or portrait. Once you do that in the printer field, click here and select Microsoft Print to PDF, then click on Print. Now type the name of your file. After that, press Save. Now your PNG file is converted to PDF.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.